Hi, welcome to C# 7 and .NET Core Solutions, a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm Alistair Ruane, and I will be the presenter for this course. Dirk Strauss is a software developer and Microsoft .NET MVP from South Africa with over 13 years of programming experience. He has extensive experience in SysPro customization, an ERP system, with C# and web development being his main focus. He currently works for Embrace as a full-stack developer. He authored the C# Programming Cookbook in 2016, as well as C# 7 and .NET Core 2.0 Blueprints in 2017, published by Pact. He has also written for Syncfusion, contributing to the Succinctly series of ebooks. He blogs at dirkstrauss.com whenever he gets a chance, or you can follow him at dirkstrauss on Twitter. C# has recently been open-sourced, and C# 7 comes with a host of new features for building powerful, cross-platform applications. This course will be your solution to some common programming problems that you come across with C# and will also help you get started with .NET Core. The very first section, New Features in C# 7, shows how C# 7 brings a lot of new functionality to the C# language. The biggest of these features are by far tuples and pattern matching. The next section, Classes and Generics, form the building blocks of software development and are essential in building good code. Section 3, Object-Oriented Programming in C#, is the foundation of C# and Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. Understanding this concept is essential to .NET developers everywhere. Up next is Regular Expressions. This section is about how regex makes use of patterns that describe a string through the use of special characters that denote a specific bit of text to match. The use of regex, when applied properly, can be a very powerful approach to certain programming problems. Then comes the section Working with Files, Streams, and Serialization. This teaches you how to work with files, streams, and serialization, and doing so will definitely give you an edge as a developer. Section 6, Making Apps Responsive with Asynchronous Programming, talks about how asynchronous programming is an exciting feature in C#. It allows you to continue program execution on the main thread, while a long-running task finishes its execution. This enables your applications to remain responsive. The next section 7, High-Performance Programming using Parallel and Multithreading in C#, improves your code's performance. Section 8, Composing Event-Based Programs using Reactive Extensions, teaches you how Rx is an exciting technology. The next section, Exploring .NET Core 1.1, is about the buzz regarding .NET Core these days. It allows you to create cross-platform applications. The final section, ASP.NET Core on the MVC framework, talks about the MVC framework, which is named according to the MVC design pattern it follows. For this course, you will require a computer installed with the latest version of Visual Studio and ASP.NET Core. So let's begin this wonderful journey together, and I hope to see you there.